everybody, this is Beth Bond, Southeast Green, coming to you live from the state capitol. We're here today at the Electric Vehicle Day at the Capitol, and we're interviewing Ray Crowe from Siemens Electric Mobility. Thanks, Ray. So tell us why you're here today.
Well, Beth, we're here because Siemens is a big believer in alternative energy sources and supporting our cities and infrastructures and helping build that out and helping many Siemens customers look at alternatives to traditional transportation.
Well, now you're down here in Atlanta, but you're from Boston, so do you think Atlanta's a good market for EVs?
We really do. We find that the major metropolitan areas where people live and work are ideal places for electric cars.
So you guys sell a charging station, right?
Correct.
And that is your sort of entree into the electric vehicle world. How is the business for y'all?
Actually, business has been really busy. We sell complete charging solutions from residential charging, where you charge in your own home, to commercial and to fleet usage. So there's a lot of different use cases. There's no one-size-fits-all. And the beauty of Siemens is we have a complete answer to all the charging needs that customers may have, depending upon whether they're residential, fleet, or commercial customers.
Great. Hey, thanks so much, Ray.
My pleasure. Nice seeing you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.